doing? This wig is nice.
They're for sale, babe.
I know. I came to buy a wig.
Oh, good. This one is for 700.
Yeah, that's a good price. I could give it to you next week.
No.
Pretty. I don't got it till
I got shit to do. It's the end of the month. I got problems. I got a new man that needs me.
He needs you.
He's an immigrant. You don't hear what's going on in America?
Girl, if you don't send that man to ICE is giving people money. Listen.
How about you send somebody?
I will. Tell me your man number. I'll tell ICE to come up here.
Bro, I cannot do this. I've got shit to do.
This weekend is going to be a big weekend, Pretty. I promise to you.
Girl, somebody else want the wig.
Everybody is going to be in the building. You got to trust me. I know what we need to do. Let's pray. Come on. Take my hand. Put one hand on the... Okay. Lord God, you gotta say it with me. Lord God, send the money. Come on, you're not even praying. You don't even believe.
I'm praying. Calm down.
You don't feel it?
Yeah.
I
feel it.
God, He's sending the money this weekend. Pretty, you gotta understand, I feel it in my pussy. I feel it all over my body. It's going to be a crazy weekend. It's the anniversary weekend. Just this last time.
You have until Monday, because it's getting from bad to worse. I can't. You have $1,000 from me already. Where's your man?
Pretty Manana, I just need your help. Please, you can hold my Chanel bag until I come back.
Get up, bro.
Please.
Okay.
I don't know how to wait for what.
I'll wait until Monday. Okay. Get up. You're embarrassed. You're in the shop.
Shit, I'm not embarrassed.
Yeah, but people is in the shop.
Why would I be embarrassed? All right, come on, get up.
So
come on, let's go. Let's get this done.
Wait, relax. Yeah, come on.
Anyway, come on, tell me about your little immigrant man. Who about to get locked up?
What you mean?
I'm just saying, ICE is outside everywhere. You got to be careful.
Bitch, don't even play with me. I'll just keep my wig.
Lighten up. I'm just trying to lighten the mood. Chill out. All I'm saying is, I just feel like that's dumb. You marry that man, he's going to be running around these American streets with these rats and roaches.
We can start life together.
Why don't you do that in Jamaica?
But he's here now. He's stuck.
I feel like you need to stop worrying about him. And maybe if you got a job at the club, I could put in a work.
I think you need to worry about you.
I am worried about...
No. Like you right now.
I don't get what you're trying to say. I'm trying to help you. I could get you a job at the club. You can get more money.
You can't get me a job because you can't even pay for your wigs. Every time you come, you cannot pay for your hair. You have a balance of $1,000 at a hair salon.
The club is slow.
And now you want $520 more to be added. That's rent.
The club is slow right now.
No, well...
But I do make money in the club. It's just been a little slow. It's going to pick back up, and I was trying to put you on to help your immigrant man, and you being ungrateful.
Girl, you never ever knew I had an immigrant man. You got a nerve.
Okay, babe.
Help yourself. That's the thing. People always want to worry about everybody else. I gotta worry about him.
I know that's
wow.
Right, Beyonce. Ooh. Baby boy, you stay out, mama. Oh, God, I knew it. I love you.
So remember,
I got it. Your immigration man finna get locked up by ICE.
Don't try to be funny now. Don't try to be funny.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Because you think you're funny right now.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. Thank you, girl.
Make sure I see you on Monday.
This is get a rich nigga.
Hey,
rich nigga. Hey. Trust me. I'm gonna find a man tonight.
Yeah, because I'm on time for this.
So. God, I'm tired of this. God, please
Tonight, let me make 100K and I swear I will never come back to this club again. God, if you give me 100K tonight, I will become a realtor. I will become a housewife. I will do whatever you need me to do. I don't want to be here no more. Okay, you got this. You about to make some money tonight. That ass is on up. I need a shot.
Star.
Hi, Bill. How you doing, Papa?
Good.
Did you remember to bring the money?
Yeah, I got the money.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this money, you're going to change. Oh, you did good. Did you empty your account, Bill?
I emptied my wife's account too.
Why you emptied your wife's account? Is she gonna be happy with that?
As long as you're happy with that.
That's sweet, Bill. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're going to go over there. You're gonna take this money and change it into ones. But before you do that, I'm going to take this and I'm gonna put it somewhere special. And if you get some more money, you get to take it out. What do you think about that?
Deal.
That's a deal. I'm gonna be in the private room back there. It's for high rollers only. 10,000 or more gets you back there. So, I have some here. Get some more. And let's party, Grandpa. Mwah. I'll see you soon, okay, big guy?
Okay.
All right.
That's nice right here, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, that's nice right there. You throw the money right there. Man. Yeah, man. Got me on top, bro. Yeah, man.
Can I talk to you in private?
On Sunday. Yeah. Wait, you gotta stop. We can't do that right here.
What are we doing? I'm just drinking my drink.
I'm so nervous. It's my first night here.
Don't be nervous. I just feel like my drink tastes better when it's in your hand.
We should chill sometime. You wanna come to my house?
I can't do that.
Let me get your number.
I can't do that.
The manager's calling you.
See you later.
Alright.
You asked for me?
You're fired.
What? Why?
Yeah, you're fired.
Why are you firing me?
You are fired. Get out my building. You're fired.
Why? I didn't do anything.
I saw you giving out your number to the customer.
When? I
You're
just
fired.
fucking got here.
You're fired.
Why are you firing me? I need this job and you know
are
that.
Fired.
I make the most money out of all these bitches. Tell me what you need. I'll say it later. I'm one of the best girls. I make you a lot of money.
Alright, listen. Worse.
What the fuck you trying to say? That's why I hate you light-skinned niggas. You think you motherfucking Chris Brown with your short, tripply dick, all that? Big bag of bitch. Fuck you.
Get out my building.
Fuck your shit too.
Oh, fired ass. Get out my building.
Fuck you, bitch ass nigga.
Star? You okay?
What are you doing here?
I was waiting on you.
Outside in the cold?
Yeah.
That's a little weird.
You was looking so good tonight, I had to stay back and, try to get your number.
You got me fired.
Oh,
We're not allowed to take numbers. They saw you on the camera giving me the phone. They thought, whatever.
so I guess I owe you some money, right?
That's a good idea, Daddy.
Let me get your number first.
What the fucking hotel?
Wait, Lisa! Lisa! Lisa, where am I now?
Fucking coming in.
Where are you
Fucking
here?
hotel with that nothing bitch. Nothing strip. What?
No,
Who the
Lisa,
fuck is you
Lisa.
talking to? Hold on.
Lisa,
Hold
chill.
on. Is this
No.
the bitch Lisa Hype?
No,
Bitch,
Lisa,
bitch.
Lisa.
Yeah,
Lisa,
fuck you
Lisa,
out here. Don't
Lisa,
play with me.
Lisa.
You don't know the fuck. You don't know me, bitch. You think this Vibes Cartel? This is not Saddam Home.
No,
You don't even live to be a fucking stripper. Fuck you. Don't fuck with me, bitch.
Here you're done. Here you're done.
Nobody love you.
Here you're done.
You don't love me.
Here you're done.
This ain't Jamaica. This ain't Port-au-Prince, bitch.
It's okay.
What was that? Is that the Lisa Hype lady that's on the
She's
internet?
my ex, Lisa. I'm sorry about that. Can I get my phone? I'll call you tomorrow. I promise.
I don't want you to call me. Just leave me the fuck alone.
Stop.
If you don't got no money for me, leave me alone. You made me lose my job, and that Lisa bitch could have beat my ass. She's crazy as fuck.
Stop.
Get your life together. The fuck this nigga want? Hello.
Hey, what's up?
How are you? Did you deal with your girlfriend?
She's not my girlfriend. She's my ex.
That is your girlfriend.
I'm just one of them crazy ex something. I can't explain it.
I was just so embarrassed and I was so scared.
I really wanted to see you though.
Yeah, I wanted to see you and get to know you, but I don't have time for that now. I don't even have money for my rent. I gotta find another job.
If I'm money, I worry about, no worry about money. Me will give you money.
Okay, so if I come, you'll help me.
Yeah, if you come over here for sure.
Alright. I'll see you in a couple hours.
Okay, I'll text you my address and all.
Bye.
Come in. Hey,
Hi.
what's up?
I'm good.
I'm happy you came.
I like your place. It's nice.
Nice,
You live alone?
Yeah. Stop worrying about my ex, me after.
Well, I don't know if somebody's gonna jump out on us, so I gotta ask.
Wanna have a seat?
Yeah. So I need to take off my shoes?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Champagne?
Yeah,
I got you.
that's nice. I'll have whatever you're having.
Okay, I got you.
Your couch is comfortable too.
Thank you. What was your name?
Let's not talk about my day. I'm just ready to have a good night.
Okay. You ready or not?
Yeah. Cheers to a wonderful night and many more.
Many more? What you have in mind?
What do you mean? If you liked me at the club, you got me here, you must want more time with me.
I do.
Least you could do after making me lose my job.
I'm sorry about that. That was my first time at the club.
It was your first time.
Yeah, my friend brought me there.
I was wondering because you were throwing hundreds instead of ones.
I'm rich.
No, but even rich people, it's like the strip club is usually like ones, not hundreds. Your friend should have probably told you that.
I got it.
You do?
Yeah.
Why are you so far?
Ooh, my kind of party.
What you mean?
I like what I see.
What songs you want me to dance to? Anything in mind? And I can dance for you. Okay? You could tell me what songs you like. But I don't sell pussy.
You don't have to sell it.
So I would give it to you for free?
I could give you whatever you want.
If I did sell pussy, it would be very expensive. But I don't. So, as I said, let me know what songs you like, and I will gladly dance for you all night. Or whatever you need me to do. You like that?
Let's go in the room.
For what? I told you I'm not fucking.
Come on, you can't be dancing on me, I expect. I'm not gonna wanna fuck.
I gotta go to the bathroom, okay?
Okay, it's right here.
Don't move.
I'm not.
Yo, what the fuck is up with you? You got cookie wash? I thought you said nobody lives here.
Nah, this was from my friend.
You got a pussy? So what you doing with cookie wash?
Calm down, babe.
You telling me to calm down? I'm sick of you and these girls popping up. As long as I'm coming here, I don't want no other bitch here. Simple as that.
I think you OD exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating. And just throw it away. I don't even want to see it. I don't want to be reminded of your stupid ass girlfriend. Throw it away. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go because this killing my vibe.
Alright, cool. I'll throw it away. It's alright. You don't have to start a problem. I got you.
I'm
okay?
starting a problem?
Look.
Now I'm the problem.
No, it's okay. I'll throw
I
it
feel
away.
like you don't got no damn sense. Like, you are clearly just stuck on your ex.
No problem, okay? Alright. Damn, I see you got a attitude problem. Shit. That was nothing that big.
Let's just drop it. Let's go to the room.
Okay. Shit.
Cheers. To what?
Me get him some tonight. And you get him a lot of cash.
That wasn't romantic, but whatever.
I'm telling you, I like you.
Come on, let's go. Come, Daddy.
I got you.
I can't wait for you to fuck me. How you want me, Daddy? Take it all off. I want to see all of you. Take off your shirt. I want to feel your skin on my skin. You okay, Daddy? You alright? Fuck! Fucking told you I don't sell pussy! Shit! Told you I don't sell pussy! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck. so sorry.
Pretty.
Girl, which way them there on the location? The location where you send me, I'm gonna see you. I'm out here.
Just make a left. Follow my exact location. You gotta get out the car, and it's gonna give you walking directions.
Okay, okay.
Pretty, just come, please.
The back road.
Just come.
Alright.
Fuck! She heard me? I must find her.
Pretty, what's going on?
What? What's going on?
Listen, I have your money, but it's just not in money.
Talk, explain.
I mean, I have a plan, and it's better than money. Your man, you said he's Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
So I got something that is better than money.
What is that? What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's
Come on. You, bro.
I don't do drugs. I don't sell drugs.
Yes, but he would know.
Yeah, but he just came from Jamaica. You already want him to go back?
I just need your help. I owe you $1,000.
I'ma call
Don't call him. Are you crazy? Just take it. Give it to him.
Maybe he needs to go do something with it, for real.
Pretty, I'm not going with you. You go. You gotta take it. Come here. Come here. You take it.
I'm scared. I can't bring that.
Yes, you can. Just hold it.
Bro.
You good. We're just gonna go like this. You're gonna go to your car. You're gonna drive straight to him. Okay. Let me know what he says. But I know he has to have a connect. Yet, calm down. They're far away. Don't let the sirens scare you. I've been out here all night trying to sell this shit. Just run to the car. Go straight home. Your man will know what to do. Okay. Call me. I got you. Go. Sorry.
Come here. Finally catch your dog.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Shut up.
Please don't kill me.
Don't say
Please
that.
don't kill me. I'm gonna scream.
Yeah, man, me catch your dog. Don't fucking move. Don't move. What do you rest of my things, baby?
I was trying to sell the drugs all night, and they stole it from me. I don't sell drugs. I don't sell pussy.
Why you hear that thing from me, though?
I told you I don't sell pussy. You kept saying that's the only way I can get my money. I don't have any money. I can't pay my bills.
You're looking like it.
Please, just put it down. I didn't want to steal from you. You gave me no choice. You know how much people I owe money because you made me lose my job? You fucked me up.
I'm sorry. Come on. Go with that. We can't fix this. Come.
I've been through a lot of shit. I don't rob niggas. Like I said, I dance, but I don't sell pussy. I don't even want to dance. I just don't have no choice. I got a fucked up life. Cheers. If you almost kill me, the least thing you could do is say cheers. Cheers to more life.
More life. Taking with somebody's stash like that can get you killed.
I didn't know. Like I said, they stole it from me. I didn't even get to sell it. I just feel like I don't got no other choice right now except to just live a fast life. Like,
so you don't have no other plan? No other work option?
I don't even got a high school diploma. Who's gonna hire me?
Shit, so I'm gonna get back my money. Done then. I'm gonna try to help you.
Listen. I know you think I'm fucked up. I know you think I'm just a sexy girl.
And you don't give a fuck about my problems, I get it, but my stepdad was raping me and my mom put me out.
Shit.
I didn't know what to do. I developed fast. By 13, I had boobs. By 14, I just thought maybe the club. I got a fake ID and I started working. And I just been there ever since.
Shit.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Alright, here we go. I'm going to try to help you as much as I can. Because right now, I'm going to think I'm going to get back that. Check, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm going to give you some money. I will talk again.
I'll get a hotel tonight.
Here's a tip.
Why you gotta look at him like that?
No,
The fuck she looking at?
easy. She's my friend.
Oh, fuck this whole bar up, bitch.
Nah, chill. You know.
You telling me to chill? She don't see a female sitting right here?
Chill. Here's some money. Go do your ear and get some clothes. And we'll see you later. Alright?
Okay. Thank you for not killing me. Thank you, for real.
Fuck, so I'm on, man.
I'm John. I'm man there.
My dear man, how you sit down and say not drink nothing?
I'm get ticky, man.
You man, you don't know me a record.
I do something now.
What you want for drink? Bartender, let me get 2 bottles.
Yes, sir. Right. Now, the money I walk upon them there within us.
Pops, I want your rich and birth. You set the thing. So yeah, that's where do you want to talk to me boy, you know?
For what I want to talk to you about, you know, life and things. Because you know, in life, nothing is like family. You know what I mean? So, me and your mother live, right?
Pops, so you come with them lovey-dovey talk. They want you. Oh, you feel like you're going to dead or something?
No, Andrew, man. But work hard in it, right?
So-
And you're doing well, right? So you have to apply these things and know so you're blessed.
Yeah.
And you have to structure a family. How am I going to get a grandson? Eh?
Pops, me go work on that, Pops. My mom is still young, you know.
So you know, I've done a young lady where you think you can settle down with, man. All these ladies out there, man. Why, man?
Pops, me just start talk to one woman, you see me? So, me don't know what we do right now. Things kind of shaky.
You like her?
Things so, you know. Things so.
All right, we're going to bring her by, make meet her and thing and see if, you know.
Boy, Pops, I don't know how that
I
will
can
work.
help you out, you know, because from she see the structure and she see, you know what I mean, she marriages in the near future probably, and kids, grandkids.
Grandkids. Pops, I'm 18, you want man give grandkids and I want to you.
I'll get you some Irish mush and some sitting for your drink, you know, if you find.
But no week, Pops, but no week. I want to you. May I make you get your grandkids in due time.
All right, let's bring her by tomorrow. We're the one after 12 tomorrow, let's bring her. All right, and we'll go and see what it is. We'll meet her.
Alright, Pops. May I see what can go on. That time she free, because you know the woman has stay, you know. So we're going to work on that thing and make you know.
He's my son. I know you can get her. All right? Get the drink. Get the drink.
Alright, may I pay your feet? I'm so far.
Yes, hello, babe.
Come here, babes. Look
My
what
bum
the girl give me.
How will you get this,
The girl owe me the money. She don't have the money for paying for my ear.
Rascal.
So me don't know what to do with this. You have to go.
No, we have to go take this, fuck she.
You can't start life with it.
Oh, you mean, right now I feel like, say, yo, we have to go just broke
Your
up this.
paperwork's good now.
No, fuck paperworks. We can go one different country, you know,
Alright.
and blood clot live. Alright, thing this,
So
man.
listen now. You know what?
Oh, you mean, you see, I cook this,
Call it. You have to get through that.
No worry yourself,
She
baby.
want me to help her sell it. That's
Me no want you and I no contact, no more.
Alright.
Just fuck your phone, we rich now, we can buy new phone.
Alright. So, anything what you say.
Yeah,
Me not.
nobody never see you.
Nope.
You sure?
Me don't. Nobody listen to me, babes.
The bumbo clad, no sir. Rich life. Baby, start up a vehicle, me I tell you, start up a vehicle, cause rich again, you know, baby.
Pops, you good?
Yes, son, that's well, man. That is well. Are you feeling nice though, son?
Yeah, you know, me I do some little work. Want to try to put a pool in the backyard, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we ended up in Jamaica then?
Now buy some property and thing, you know? I want to build up some condo. I'm over here.
Nice, nice.
Mm.
But you know you have to do that because them boy the thief down there now.
Yeah, man, for real. I have to dip on the ground.
Yes, man, yes, man.
So we're going to get some other food out of the door because I never really cook nothing. And Shorty so far out.
So she stay with him one time and she help clean up and make the place nice, so can look like.
Pops, my mommy I tell you me just meet her son. It's a little thing we want to see how I go work, right? So, I try a thing with her. You know, me and the woman thing, me and them never last long.
Yeah.
But me I feel that one, your Pops.
Alright, you know. So, you know, so what time she, you know, what time
She supposed to pull up here now, I don't know how I'm going.
It's proud of you know, proud of you.
Oh, dear Pops.
You know?
Yeah, Pops. So, I don't know if any little thing you need, just let me know.
Yes, well, you know, I just want to make sure you're on the right path, you know, and everything is alright with you. You know what I mean? And everything will be alright from there on. I mean, you're doing the right thing with yourself.
Yeah, man.
Knock, knock. Hi.
Hello, good night.
How are you? Hi, baby.
Meet my Pops.
Hi.
Pops, she me that out.
How are you?
Oh, nice to meet you.
What's wrong?
No, nice young lady. It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'm gonna get some wine. What are you guys talking about?
Oh,
Property, land, house, and everything there.
Oh. Your son said he's gonna build an apartment for me in Jamaica.
Apartment complex.
Yes, an apartment complex. I've never heard that before. In America, men just live in apartments. They don't build them.
right. Jamaica, big building. You been to Jamaica before?
No, but he said he's gonna take me, right?
I got you.
Yeah.
Right, so what do you do? What do you do?
Pops, so remember me say she do some things from the side, man, and she get a new job soon.
She may ask you.
Wait, hold.
She may ask you, but I'm just saying that, you know, what do you do for a living, nice lady? You know what I mean?
Pops, she go get a promotion at the job where she work, and yeah, man, just that, man, me help her.
I got fired. I got fired recently, so
Yeah.
I don't really have a job right now.
What, Pops?
What do you used to do for work?
Pops, me I tell you, man, she just hustle. It's a hustler, man, you know? And you don't know me a hustler too, so we are trying to build for the, you know, generation where you say, man.
Yeah, I did a lot of customer service and stuff like.
Customer service, you answer phone and everything, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I lost
So
it.
she get a new job, me help her with her business and, you know, build up the thing and everything.
Yes, which part you used to work?
Pops,
Before you
Pops,
Well, I know, Andrew. Can I talk to you for a minute? Excuse me for a moment, yeah? Please, then?
Yeah, Pops.
Is that Andrew? Please? Yeah. Talk to you. Come to understand as well.
What, Pops?
Andrew, why would me a question ask her? You keep her interrupt.
I don't know, Pops, me just, you know, she should do something.
Something don't smell right, and she familiar to me, you know. Andrew,
Familiar?
you being straight with me, something don't feel. This is my son. Tell me straight, Andrew, what's going on here?
No, Pops, what you talk about?
Something don't feel right, Andrew. Why every time I ask her a question, you answer for her?
Pops, me I tell you,
And I also go around me.
Pops, me I tell you, it's a hustler and thing. I don't know, serious enough, Pops. Me just, she do all the work, and me just help her, you know, figure out her life.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, baby, so come.
Okay, I'm getting hungry.
What your problem, Pops?
I know her from somewhere, Andrew. I've seen that girl from where I can't put my finger on it, you know. But I know her from somewhere, Andrew. Something don't feel right with that girl.
Pops, so you don't know her from?
I don't remember, Andrew. I don't remember. But I know there's something good good about that girl.
Pops, see, I worry too much. I see me like, I see me that tell you about. What?
Well, alright. You're a big man. I didn't say you want to do. You're a big man and you respond for yourself, right? So let it be. We could go here and share something, no? Alright, come.
So yeah, babes, I'm a father this.
Yeah, so, where said it,
Where are you from in Jamaica?
me?
Yeah.
Kingston,
really?
you know, so
Is that the best part to go?
yes, it's a very, very nice areas in Kingston, you know. But tell me more
Is
about
good food?
food. You like jerk chicken?
Is that good, babe?
But listen now, tell me about where you from. Are you
Pops, she named Star, she born up here and anything there. I don't, you know, for worry. A good girl, Pops. You know, see how I
What's
get
wrong?
Nothing is not wrong. It's just that every time I ask a question, I ask you a question, I answer for you.
I'm sorry. Okay, Pops. I'm Star. I'm 25. I'm from Florida. And I really like your son. We got off to a rocky start, but I love where things are going. And he speaks highly of you. So I was excited to meet you.
Yes, you know, you feel like we met before. You know, that's what I'm saying. You feel like we met before.
Me and you?
Pops, say that meet already.
No, I'm just saying that you look familiar, you know. I'm just saying that, you know, you look like my son type of woman and thing. That's what I'm really trying to say. But,
You meet already though. Where?
I don't know. I didn't say I meet her. I'm just saying she seems familiar. You know what I mean? You know? Have we met before?
I don't think so.
Well, all right, yeah, yeah, right. So tell me, where are you from around here?
Yeah. I grew up around here.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Did you teach out of school around here? Maybe that's how you know me.
Andrew,
Pops.
what's going on here? What's going on here?
She want dancer, Pops. We just never want to come out and
Star!
yeah.
From the melody, she club down, sir. Meow!
Pops.
You think you're an idiot? You don't say no sense, boy.
Pops, go cool, Pops. Yeah, she was a dancer. She done that them life they know.
You think someone dirty, stinking, nasty, worry, girl?
I'm not a whore! I'm a dancer!
I want to know outside of my place. I want to know outside of my place, man.
Pops, you can't do that.
That's an art!
It's fine, you want to find me. It's fine, you want to find me. The dirty girl from out of me. Dirty girl, come out of my house. Outside.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this.
Leave.
I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm leaving.
Here. Pops.
Man, I take off a bench in the boy.
Star.
Leave me alone!
Star. I'm sorry.
I hate you!
Star, please don't
You
say that.
embarrassed me!
Star, that's my dad. He might get old. Star, I'm so sorry.
He said I'm a whore, Andrew! He
And
said I'm a
Star,
whore!
I don't care. I'm with you, right?
You embarrassed me! He called me a whore! You didn't even defend
Star,
me!
stop, me try. That's my father. He might get old. Star, please. I don't want you out my life. I think I love you.
You think I'm a whore?
No, Star, I think I love you. I'm for real.
I love you, but I can't do this.
Star, I really don't want you out my life.
Stop saying things you don't mean. Don't do this if you don't mean it,
Star, I
Andrew.
do. Will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, baby! No, it's not. Let me
Come on, Clark.
You okay? Nothing's there.
Come on, sir. Me I tell you.
God.
Come quick before it come quick.
Okay.
Wait, cut.
Cut, sir. Yeah,
Why? Yo, man, she was
I knew he was gonna fucking do that, bro. Every time. It's been like 10 years now, bro.
Hold on, long door. Me hold on,
It's
long.
been like 10 fucking
Me hold on,
years.
long door. Me hold on, long door. I instinct, you know a man thing. I instinct. Alright, video hold on.
Good down, something down good about that girl. Alright? So, I don't want her inside my place. I don't want her inside here.
Pops, your man, no, you can't pick whom you like and anything.
Listen, I want her inside of my house, Andrew. You tell her to come out of my house, Andrew.
Should I kiss the teeth and walk out? No, you should get married.
So,
Baby, just start up the car. Start up the car, baby. Start up the car.
sure.
Alright. We're in the building now. We're out.
We're done?
Alright, I'm gonna go pay the bartender. I should even shake your hand when we walk off. It's a kind of... Alright. Hold on, it's okay.